Okay, I am hoping that you can help me understand why adding in a PDF is not working. So what I am hoping to do is I'm hoping to add this PDF of a STAR test, okay? And so here is what I have done, and I'm going to show you doing this myself. Okay, so I've got this, I'm going over here, I'm embedding, I am copying the embedded code, and then I'm going to my assignment where I want to input it. Sorry, I'm trying to go back to where I wanted to input it. Okay, here it is. Going here, I am erasing this where I tried before. I'm following the directions in the video. I'm going to click, put embedded code. I'm erasing everything that's here because this is when I tried a moment ago. And it did not work, but I'm going to try completely fresh this time. There we go. Now I'm going to click insert. Okay, and it pops up like it will go in perfectly, right? I've got my PDF, exactly what I want. Now I click OK, and this happens. It's gone. It's not here anymore. When I click preview, because like, well, maybe it actually works, it's still not there. Can you please help me fix this problem?